In this lesson, you will learn how to end a conversation using phrases like nice to meet you, me too, see you next time, and goodbye. 很高兴认识你, which means nice to meet you. Please repeat after me. 很高兴认识你。很高兴认识你。很高兴认识你 is made of 4 words. 很 means very. 高兴 means happy. 认识 means to know. And 你 means you. 很高兴认识你。Next, we'll learn to say me too. 我也一样。我也一样。我也一样 is made of 3 words. 我 means me. 也 means too. 一样 means the same. 我也一样。Before we say goodbye, we can say 下次见, which means see you next time. 下次见。下次见。下次见 is made of 2 words. 下次 means next time, and 见 means to see or to meet. 下次见。The last phrase, 再见, which means goodbye. 再见。再见。再见 is made of 2 words. 再 means again. 见 means to meet. When these words are put together, they mean goodbye. 再见。So, you have just learned 很高兴认识你, nice to meet you. 我也一样, me too. 下次见, see you next time. 再见, goodbye. Congratulations! You've reached the end of lesson 3. Make sure you go back to the previous lessons and repeat it till you're familiar with everything you have learned so far. 下次见!